Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's John. I must apologise again for a delay in releasing a video this week. Unfortunately, work is really busy, which I'm not complaining about, but it does mean that my free time is a little bit limited. But hopefully you'll enjoy this video anyway. In a couple of my previous videos, I have talked about something known as parallax, and I'm hoping that I can explain what that means in terms of photography and demonstrate it, and to see, what's done about it, how we combat it. So let's take a look. As I've explained to you before, single lens reflex cameras, or SLR cameras, when you look through the viewfinder, you're actually looking out through the lens. So you're seeing exactly what the camera sees. And therefore parallax isn't an issue. But if I take a point and shoot camera, so for instance, this Olympus XA2, which I've featured before, the viewfinder is here, and the taking lens is here. So they're two different spots. Now, actually, it's not too much of a problem on this camera because they're in line with each other vertically, and they're quite close together. But on some cameras, if I take this Pentax Zoom 50, which again, Zoom 60 again, which I featured in a recent video, and just turn it on, the viewfinder's here and the lens is here. And this is where parallax comes in. We're actually seeing something slightly different than the camera's seeing. To illustrate why this phenomenon may cause us a problem, I've drawn a basic sketch here. So on the left here, we have my representation of a camera. And if we follow the line that the lens is looking at, because there's quite a distance between the two, this is representing a landscape photograph here, the difference between what the lens sees and the viewfinder, which is slightly offset, sees is negligible. There's no difference to the human eye. However, if we take a look at my second drawing here, illustrating a portrait photograph, you can see that the viewfinder will be looking directly at the person and obviously giving you exactly the shot you want, but the lens is just slightly offset, causing perhaps a difference in the image that you're actually looking for. So how can we combat this effect? Well, here I am attempting to film through the viewfinder of a camera, and you should be able to make out the sort of lines that frame the shot. Here's another one. I've done this through several different ones to show you. This frame, if you like, or these lines are known as parallax lines, and they are designed to compensate for this offset. In other words, they are calibrated that if you frame your picture within this parallax lines, that you'll get the photograph, get the image that you're looking for. So there we go. Parallax, not a problem if you stick to SLRs. Sorry it's such a short video, but that's really all there is to be said about that matter. I've got several other videos in production and ideas for many more. So yeah, I do promise hopefully I'll be back to my normal self as soon as my spare time allows. But in the meantime, a massive thank you to everyone that has subscribed, watched, commented, liked my videos. I'm over the moon that I've finally reached over 300 followers, that I have over 50,000 views. It's just mind-blowing as far as I'm concerned. So thank you, all of you. Please check out my website, check out my shop, check out merchandise, which I'll be adding to soon. All the links are in the description below. Thanks again, and see you next time.